Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing Chrome and the files you want to play. Open Chrome, make sure it's updated, and locate your video in File Explorer or Finder. Once done, right-click the file and choose Open with Google Chrome so the browser registers the file type. You can also drag the file onto a blank Chrome tab to begin. These first steps ensure Chrome becomes the immediate player. They avoid codec prompts because Chrome uses its built-in decoders. Now focus on playback controls and useful features. Use the spacebar or K to play or pause, and J and L to skip backward or forward. Chrome supports keyboard shortcuts for faster control. Right-click the video twice to access the video menu with Picture-in-Picture and Cast options. Picture-in-Picture keeps the video on top while you work. Make sure you inspect the 3-dot or gear controls for subtitles, audio track selection, and playback speed so your viewing matches your preferences. Finish by saving what you need and applying one key troubleshooting trick. If playback is stuttering, clear Chrome's cache and restart the browser. If that fails, disable extensions or open the video in an incognito window to isolate conflicts. Make sure subtitles are downloaded or enabled in the player. If audio is out of sync, try changing the playback rate momentarily to resync. Finally, when casting fails, restart the receiver and Chrome. This simple reset resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.